Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you this beautiful tablecloth, aka large doily, my husband's grandmother made probably a while back, but I inherited it. So this is mine and I'm not sharing, just so you know. It's going to go on a table in the other room, but I wanted to show it to you. It was so pretty. There's no way I could cut this one up. This is a piece of grandma that we're keeping. So, but it's so pretty, just white and blue. And guess what's in my kitchen and living room? White and blue. So, Grammy, which is my husband's mom, mother-in-law, my mother-in-law, Arvilla, brought that to me for me. So I thank her for that. That was so wonderful. So I have this bag of all kinds of stuff, and I don't know what's in here. These are bits and pieces that Grandma was saving. So, oh my goodness, look at this. I don't know how old this is. Looks like a pin cushion with some crochet trim around the side and satin ribbon. Even has a little hanger at the top. So cool. It's like, look like that one's been around for a while, but how cool is that? Didn't know that was in there. All right, it's got a long tie on it. There we go. All right, what else is in here? And I told her, she said, is there anything that you want? And I said, I'll take any of the crocheting or tatting or anything, because Grandma tatted too. This looks like part of something she started. I said, I don't even care if there's coffee stains on it, because I will coffee dye a lot of things anyway. So this is kind of cool. It looks like she's got 1, 2, 3, 4 motifs and changed her mind. So that's pretty neat. And then some, looks like a banner or a collar. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a collar. That's cool. And all of these have, you know, some staining on them, but I told her, the grungier the better. I don't care. I will use it no matter what. So it's kind of fun. Looks like Irish crochet. That's what this is. Very, very cool. Like that. I've always wanted to do that, but it's so tiny and intricate. My grandma on my mom's side used to crochet like that. Just teeny tiny little stuff. I always loved it. Here's a little swatch. It looks like a sweater. Here's a little tiny motif. Here's some tatting. Little tatted flower. Here's a little, looks like tiny granny squares. Cool. Blue and yellow. Here's some more tatting. She told me there was tatting in this bag, because I told her, I said, I taught myself how to do tatting, but it's been so long since I've actually done it that I have to go back and teach myself again. But that's what this is, tatting too, with the pink. Perfect for me. I might have to get to that pink journal. Here's an old hanky. You can see that it's been well loved. Crocheting on the corner. That looks like a butterfly, doesn't it? It sure enough does. There's a piece missing. But yeah, that's definitely a butterfly. Very cool. That tiny scalloped edge, my goodness. I just don't have the patience for the teeny tiny itty bitty stuff. So here's one with red and white. Cool. Tinier, well, smaller piece. And this is another one of those flower motifs, look like. Here's a trim. This is when I started to learn how to do tatting. I made a lot of these, but I didn't do it with this teeny tiny string. I did it with the bigger string, so mine is fat and chunky, but this is so delicate. So pretty. Let's see what else is over here. Oh my. This is like a daisy chain. That's what it is. Look at that. It's one continuous circle. You could wear that as a necklace, couldn't you? Little tiny little daisies and then little tiny ones on the other side. Very cool. Here's a square doily, a little spiral in the middle. Okay, let's see, let's look at this stuff first and then I'll look in that bag. That's fun. I need to lay this stuff under a couple of books. And this is some lace trim here. I don't think she made this. This looks like it was cut off of something else. You can see the cut edge, but it could have been just a roll of lace. And there's some pink. There's another one of the, well, a little bit more of that delicate trim. And another one of those tatted flowers. Here we've got, oh, look at this, guys. Now we're getting up my speed. It's unraveling, so I don't know if I can fix that or not. I can do a little bit, but I can't do all of it. And when it's teeny tiny, my grandma on my mom's side did, I have all her teeny tiny little crochet hooks, so I might be able to fix it. At least, you know, attach it so it's not unraveling. But that is really pretty, isn't that? Oh, I love it. I used to have everything this burgundy and green color in my house, and then I changed to blue and yellow. This looks like a doll or an angel or something. It's got a dress. Yeah, definitely. Oh, look, like there's a face drawn on it. That's funny. Yeah, I think that's an angel of some sort. Here's another piece of crochet. Oh my word. I just look at this teeny tiny stuff and I just don't know how they could see to do that. Another tatted flower. Oh, now I'm getting into my stash over there. That's all my junk. Okay, and then I've got some more of these tatted flowers. So cool. Even just these little tiny pieces of trim, I will use them up. No problem. They look like they were making little 5-star maybe ornaments or something. They all have that little hanging tag on them. Very cool. All right. And then there's this bag of goodies. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a little piece of lace that's got red ribbon glued to the back. Very vintage. I can feel it. It's very, what's the word? Brittle. Very brittle. So that's cool. Alright, and then another collar. Really neat. Looks like it's got little X's in there around. Very neat. So I am going to enjoy every bit of this tatting and crochet. I'll stick that back in here because I've got more stuff. And I'm probably going to take this out, put it on the kitchen table. Oh, that's mine too. Put it on the kitchen table and set some books on top of it to flatten it out so I can get it out of the bag and into where I can use it. So, what was after that? Okay, so in that same box with all that tatting were all this quilting materials. So it looks like this is a quilter's template 60-degree diamond. I do not have one of those. Excellent. And the quilter's color key. Oh, that'll come in handy. Fun. We'll use that. And lots of quilt books. So we have beautiful patchwork gifts. I have the whole stack upside down. Quick classic quilts. There's some of these smaller ones. And they have great pictures, great instructions, and some quilt magazines. I have tons of quilting magazines. I just love them. And I love to quilt, but I haven't quilted since I started journaling. Romantic patchwork quilting, and with this bonus collection for how to do this. Yeah, that's fun. And yeah, I already did look at a couple of these books. They've all got these patterns and things tucked inside. Just really nice books. So I've got those. And this is the last of that box. My goodness. Quick rotary cutter quilts. So these are fun. You could use pre-cuts for everything in this book, because most of it is you're going to cut into strips and things. Another quilt magazine, and this one's got like a plastic cover on it. Scrap basket crafts. Oh, fun. So this isn't just quilts, there's toys and things in here, so that's cool. And another, that one, how to braid a rug in one day. Look at this, vintage. That's cool. I love that. Yeah, of course this one doesn't have, oh, copyright 1949. Cool. I might keep that one for a while, but I like that. Very cool. Oh, even how to make shoes, looks like, for that special someone's birthday. Make some braided slippers. Okay. Bible quilt blocks. Nice. Color wash. Oh, I love Bargello quilts. Where the colors just kind of go in and out. I just love those. Nice. And this is the last one. Quilting with bits and pieces. There again, that would be perfect. Oh, look at that. Hand drawn. Well, or trace. It looks like it's on, you know what this is? Cereal box liner. That's what that is. Love it. That's fabulous. I love that. Yeah, these are some cool quilts. I subscribed for many years to the Missouri Star Quilt Company. I have all of her books. So yeah, that's pretty spiffy. All right, well that's box number 2. So if you're interested, come back again, and I have one more box.